test of the emergency alert system. Its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
And as per usual, I was here along with
Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
Oh, that's how my headphones work. But anyway, you know who I am.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yes, the fuck.
What's the guy with the round, short, roundy headphones on?
That's me.
Yeah, because you're a sexy DJ.
Sexy mama hoopy DJ.
Yes. Yeah, so, as for today, normal test on regular Kdka, but 4 minutes, later than that, I thought WAHC wasn't gonna go off, because I think...
Yeah, well, my logger fucked up, and on top of that, my monitor failed. So that's fun.
Yeah. And also,
But
I
like
wanted to
you,
say...
honestly.
Yeah. And I also wanted to say, I haven't got my BC 370. I can't talk today.
Yeah.
Because of issues from Antonio.
Yeah.
Which was very
And
sad.
some of you already know what's happening, but if you don't know, then you should not know, because it's
we should not like reveal that, because just to keep it safe here. But anyway, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.